Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. I'm the Honey Badger, and that is the Forest River Sunseeker 2800. It has 3 slide outs, 4,000 watt generator, big power awning, full body paint, frameless windows, and slide toppers. It also has outside speakers, an auto level system, and a decent kitchen. Now when you go inside, it has a booth dinette, flat screen TV, overhead cabinets instead of the bed. Now this particular one has less than 44,000 miles on it, theater seating, and let me tell you, one of the best things about the Sunseeker motorhome is it tows 7,500 pounds. Most Class C's typically do about 5,000. So Forest River does a really good job giving you the extra tow capacity, especially if you want to tow a little bit bigger car, or maybe you want to tow a side-by-side, whatever the case may be. As you guys know, I love the drawers that are underneath the dinette rather than a cabinet because I'm lazy. By the way, if you enjoy walkthroughs like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now they do give you the counter extension, one-piece sink, plenty of drawer and cabinet space for a small little prep area for your kitchen, 3-burner stove, and microwave. There you go. See, I like those little extensions. It just gives you a little more space, especially if you want to make, prep some carrots, maybe put a bowl over there that you already got meat marinating in. Just that little bit extra really helps. Now, if you haven't already been able to tell, this is a pre-owned motorhome. If you'd like pricing on it and information on how to purchase it, please go to the description box below and the information will be there. You can also reach out to me on social media or by email, and I can put you in direct contact with the folks that actually sell this motorhome. It is located in Southern California. See, all the drawers are really... Now you do get an 8 cubic foot propane electric refrigerator. 6 cubic foot propane electric refrigerator, which is still one of my favorite fridges, is propane electric, especially if you like to dry camp. Now this Sunseeker motorhome is prepped for solar, has a nice pantry. See, I like having that slide out, and there's some stuff that was left in there, so you kind of get an idea of what you can put in there. Box cereal, coffee filters, things of that nature. Pocket doors to close off the bedroom and bathroom. Shower, queen size bed. By the way, the bedding does come with the coach, closet, TV, and in the top right hand corner of this video, you're going to see another really cool small to medium size Class C motorhome.